Good morning, all of you. Ashok Kumar Mishra. Today going to revise for half yearly examination class 7. आपका चैप्टर 1 से लेकर 5 तक का चैप्टर आपको रिवाइज के लिए बोला गया है, जिसमें ये चैप्टर 5 जो है वो इस प्रकार है, जिसमें हमने चैप्टर 1 का भी रिवीजन किया है और चैप्टर 2 का भी रिवीजन किया है। चैप्टर 3 से आज हम लोग चैप्टर 3 से पढ़ेंगे। चैप्टर 2 का फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स इस प्रकार है। इसका एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस भी ये रहेगा। चैप्टर 3 एडवांस फीचर्स ऑफ एक्सेल। इसमें इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बुक के अंदर ये हो सकता है, इन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल ए फाइल इज सेव्ड विद एक्सटेंशन .xlsx and a chart is a effective way to display the data in the pictorial form. A data series is a related set of the data values. A legend is the key that is used to identify the color pattern or the symbol assigned to the data series. And a bar chart displays the data in the form of long rectangular bar. A value axis is the vertical axis that is used to plot the values, and the purpose of the grouping worksheet is to enter common data formatting effect and formula. उसके बाद है which features is used to determine the input value needed to achieve the specific goal is goal seek. What is the heading given to the x-axis and y-axis axis titles? Which chart type display the data in the form of circle is pi? Which function key used to insert the data instantly in the worksheet is F11? Which key used to group the multiple worksheet is shift? The mini chart that fit into the single worksheet cell to provide the virtual representation of the data is known as the spark lines. नाउ चैप्टर 4 लॉग ऑन टू एनिमेट सीसी। इसमें बुक के अंदर से ये इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन हो रहा है कि शॉर्टकट की टू इंसर्ट द फ्रेम इज F5 एंड डिफॉल्ट एक्सटेंशन ऑफ एनिमेट इज .FLA। शॉर्टकट की टू इंसर्ट ए की फ्रेम इज F6। Ctrl+J इज द शॉर्टकट की टू डिस्प्ले द डॉक्यूमेंट सेटिंग। To make the property panel visible, press the Ctrl+F3 key, and a shortcut key to open the control panel. Color panel to the set the gradient color is Ctrl+Shift+9, and to group the selected object press Ctrl+G. To ungroup the selected object press Ctrl+Shift+G key combination. And shortcut key for the pencil tools is Shift+Y, and for selection tools is V. Shortcut key used to free transform tool is Q, and the shortcut key to import the picture to animate is Ctrl+R, and shortcut key to convert the object to symbol is F8. F7 is the shortcut key to insert a blank keyframe. And fill in the blanks. Animate is the powerful animation software package developed by the Adobe. The workspace is the arrangement of the various animate elements such as the tool panel, and the stage is the largest work area that is seen in the center of the workspace. The gray area surrounded stage is called work area. The timeline is the area where one controls the sequence and the time to graphics of the movie. The layer are the transparency stacked to talk to each other and containing the different stage. And what are the little rectangle cell that appear on the timeline is frame. Which one of the following shortcut key used to insert a keyframe is F5? Which shortcut key used to display the document setting is Ctrl+J? Which panel is the storehouse of the symbol is library? Which shortcut key used to play the animation in the animate is Ctrl+Enter? And what is the file extension is .FLA?